Hello, friends. From the picture, I perceived one character, Soumya. She is in the positive mood. So my story is rescuing people. So Soumya, 23. She is a BTech graduate from Bhuj, Gujarat. She is a very compassionate girl, and she is always ready to help people. Once, when she was on her summer vacation and moving to her native place, she went through the news that there is an earthquake in her native place. So she reached there, went to the NDRF team, and took the instructions from them and started assisting the people. Later on, she also assisted them to move to the rescue camp. She made the log of the how many people are there and what all required for them, and then she assisted them and she was satisfied. Thank you.
Hello friends, from the picture shown I have perceived one character, that is Manish. He is male and he is 22 years old and he is in positive mood. The action of my story is taking the initiative to level the road by themselves. Manish, 22, is a student of college BAMC Lucknow. While returning from his college one day, he noticed that there is a sludge of mud in the road in the front of his society due to the construction in the neighboring building. He noticed that it could cause accidents and also harm to the children playing nearby. So he decided to take the initiative and level the road. He went to the society authority and asked them and volunteered to clean the road. He gathered some local people. He also got instructions from the society authority, and along with the staff, they helped to clean the road, and ultimately they were able to clean the road and save the situation. Thank you.
Hello everyone, from the picture I perceive one female character her name is Sona, who is 20 and is a college student. Since childhood, she had a profound interest in joining the army and was always interested in gaining keen knowledge about the wars and the personalities who have served in the army. So, on the occasion of 15 August, she decides to go to the war memorial and gain more knowledge about the people who were involved in the war and have sacrificed their lives for the country. Going there, she feels motivated, and this motivated her even more, and she was sure that she will join the army and will serve the nation with her very best.
From the picture, I have perceived one character in the story. Raman, 22, study in Bhagat Singh College in Delhi. He lives in the hostel. After a long time, he get the vacation. He was very excited to meet his family. He booked the ticket and went to his city. On the way to the home, he saw that the city is fully changed, the upgraded city with the new roads and new shop. He was very fascinated by it. He reached the home. He spent the quality time with his family members, especially with the parents. And after that, his holiday get ended. He reached again to the hostel and continue his studies. Thank you.
Friends, from the picture shown to us, I have perceived one character, Rashmika, 17, and is in a positive mood. The theme of my story is Annual Day Celebration. Rashmika was the cultural captain of her school, and she got the opportunity to organize the annual day of her school. For that, she called a meeting of all her subordinates, distributed them into groups, and delegated the work. She collaborated with the art and craft teacher of her school and encouraged the class 11 student to make posters for the same. For that, they gathered all the students in the assembly ground, distributed them with the material which was bought with the school fund, and she was very happy with the students' active participation. She also diversified the event by organizing group singing, group singing, and then various acts. She also gave a thank you.
Friends, from the given picture, I have noticed one character, Arijit, who is a 25-year-old student of Lucknow University and pursuing B Pharma and is in positive mood. And he was also an active volunteer of Robin Hood Army. One day he noticed that his locality was suffering from the problem of clogged drainage and also garbage and littering on the roads, specifically of the plastics. So he decided that along with his team, he will convince the locality members to join them on the Sunday drive to clean the locality. They joined together with his efforts, and with the help of broom, gloves, dustbins. They collected the garbage and litter from the drains, roads, and the playground, got them segregated, and the organic waste was used to make the community compost pit, and also the plastic was sent.
From the picture shown to us, I perceive a male character, mood positive, age 22 years. And Raghav, 22 years, pursuing his BSc in Bihar University. During rainy season, his area got flooded and there was water everywhere. Although NDRF is doing his work, was doing his work very well, but he wanted to join them. So he gathered his friends and volunteered them. And he started serving food to the relief camps and also shifted the cattle to the higher altitude and also took care of the injured person, and he worked till the situation under control. Thank you.
Good afternoon, friends. From the story, I have perceived one character. Her name is Shreya. She is a BTech graduate from DU College. During her winter vacations, she decided to visit her native place, and which will take her almost 14 hours for the journey. When she was preparing for her journey, she booked a train, reserved the tickets, and used online platform so that she can get the main offers and can use her money wisely. During her journey in station, she saw many lives which were running their lives through book shops and how they were living over there. During the train journey, she lived the moment very wisely, and
From the picture shown to us, I perceive one character in my story. The main character of my story is Mahesh, having age 25 years. He is an employee of IT industry. He came back to his home after 5 years. He came to home and see in locality there was garbage scattered everywhere. In next morning, he along with his villagers clean the locality, meet with Sarpanch and install green and blue dustbin in his locality. In this way, he make his locality happy and healthy. Thank you.
From the picture, I perceive character Aditya, 23-year-old, and theme of my story is organizing a painting competition on Army Day. That Aditya is a student of BSc Biotechnology. He has interest in painting and drawing. So one day teacher informed him to organize a painting competition on Army Day. He went home and he made an agenda on that, and he wrote down some certain points that inviting chief guest and prize distribution and he next day he went to the college and made a small team and discussed it with his friends and discussed and responsibilities and distributed responsibilities among them, and he organized the whole event in very proper manner. Everyone enjoyed it a lot and they celebrated the event with full of enthusiasm. Friends, I pursued one character in this picture, Ram, 20. He is pursuing BA third year history background from Bangalore University. He is for some days winter holiday is going on, so other friends are gone her homes, but he is alone in his hostel. So he think that I go to visit Hampi Citadel. So he go and there he take many picture. He takes he look other types of stone, idol and temples. There he purchased many books who based on history background. So he after.
From the picture shown to us, I have perceived one character and with age 19 and mood positive. The action of my story is attending an alumni meet. Kiara, 19, a student of IIT Madras, was called for the alumni meet, and she went in her school. Her school name was DAV Vidya Mandir. She went there and she attended the alumni meet. As she was an IIT student, she also interacted with the people, the students over there who were preparing for the JEE. They were JEE aspirants, and she shared her strategy. After that, she went to the old school garden where she used to spend her time,
as she visited there after 3 years. She also met her old school teachers and interacted with the students. I was able to write my story till this point. However, I would like to add that the Kiara, after spending her time for 3 days in her hometown, she returned to IIT Madras and continued her studies. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, from the picture shown, I have perceived only one character, and he is male and in positive mood. The action of my story is construction of a government school. Now coming to my story, Raj 24, a civil government engineer, is very determined and creative in mind. And on the very first day of his duty, he got a project to construct a government building in a rural area to betterize the education system of that village. He distributed his work to his teammates and very excited to do his task. He make a proper strategy for the building to do the best and also take an overview outlook for that purpose. And after 6 months, he and his teammates were able to do his task on time and made the best government school in the state. That's all about my story. Thank you.
Friends, what I perceive from the picture is male character, age 18, mood positive. Raj, who was very hardworking student, got 95% in his class 10 board exams, and his school offered him integrated coaching system for preparing for JEE Main for class 11th and 12th. Along with many other students who got good grades, he worked very hard for the next 2 years and finally got selected in JEE Main, and after that he cracked JEE Advanced and got his dream college. Standing at the gate of the college, he was very happy and also excited for the events that were about to come. Thank you.
From the picture, I perceived Ramesh, who is a college student of Bahu Banarsi Das University. He is pursuing his BTech. He used to go to college by bus, and he spotted a old lady that used to sell his flowers. But one day when he was going to college, he didn't spot the old lady, so he got interested and inquired about him, and he found out that he had a fever. So he took him to a nearest public health care center and get her treated, and finally she was happy, and Ramesh also feels satisfied. Thank you.
Hello friends, from the picture I perceive one character. The central character of my story is Jatin, who is 19 years old, and he is a 12th pass student, and he was since his childhood or young age, he was a frequent traveler in Indian Railways, and he was passionate towards Indian Railways. So he, after his 12th, joined Indian Railways by giving RRB NTPC exam and became a station master. And on arrival to his first posting in Bassi district railway station, he saw that the luggages of passengers and other facilities were in deteriorated conditions, and then he wrote the letter to his higher officials and demanded for the construction of better facilities on the station. And then he wrote the letter, and his officials also helped him, and in his tenure he managed to get better conditions at his railway station. Thank you.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, I have perceived only one character from this story. He is a male, and his mood is positive, 18, and action of my story is visiting a tourist place. So Ritik, 18, is a very enthusiastic person about the Indian history. He's pursuing BA in National PG College, Lucknow. In his vacation, he decided to go to a tourist place, historical place, through which he can not only gain some knowledge but also have fun with his family. So he decided to go to the Chittorgarh Palace in Chittorgarh Fort in Chittorgarh, Rajasthan, and he decided to manage the lodging facilities, clothing facilities and all that, sanitary facilities in the Chittorgarh. Thereafter, when he went there, he visited the Kumbha Fort, and he also visited the Kumbha Palace and Vijay Stamp there, and he talked to the local people, played the local instrument, that is Tunga, there, and he recorded all the photos and videos of there of his memories, and he enjoyed his visit. And when he came to his college, he decided to showcase his memories and his documentaries to his comrades and his colleagues. So his documentary was appreciated very well in his college, and he was very satisfied with it. Thank you.
Hello friends, from the picture I have perceived one character who is male, 22-year-old, and his mood is positive. Satyam, who is an NGO worker of environment, and one day he went to a village. He finds that there is a lot of dirty and a lot of garbage. So he decided to go on everyone's home and tell them about the importance of cleanliness, and also tells about the dangerous effect of the dirty. So one next day he went to the village and he find the village that is better than yesterday. Thank you.
Hello friends, I have perceived two characters from the story. Both are male. Ajay is the main character whose is 20 years of old, and he is currently pursuing BTech from IIT Bombay. It was his semester end, so he decides to go back his home. On the way, he has to board train at 5. Till the time he reached early, and while he was exploring the CST terminal, a beggar came to him and asked for money. He gives him 50 rupees, and after that he boarded train. While he was in train, he thought how he can help beggars in nearby his regions to improve their conditions. When he reached home, he narrated the same to his parents and made a plan, a strategic plan, and how to execute it. His parents agreed and were eager to help him out. He connected to his friends and narrated the same to them, and also made a plan that they can collaborate with another NGO or organization who are doing the same, so that they can have a fund management and timely they can help maximum people out and reach the maximum possible places that they can. After reaching the college, he executed his plan very efficiently, and they were very satisfied that they helped hundreds of people to come out of poverty. Thank you.
Let's take a social media. We can consider consider a social team where we can help people and make a better outcome to change the society. Let's consider page number 146 that the wall is bigger and we should have a let's consider social team. We are making a story on the cleanliness. As you see now, I am in the test of 135 that we should make a story of cleanliness. We can clearly see that there is a main character and we have selected social team where a person is helping another out. So what we have decided, I will summarize for the book. One character we have perceived and the cleanliness is the theme, and he studies in a Bau Banastas University.
And together with the locality members, we will be conducting a cleanliness drive.
Better we can have a social team where we are helping others. That is our society. We can help more people and reach out to maximum places. Theme of the story should be cleanliness. We have decided on theme of the story that I agree with that number 115. Helping others, we can simply decide how we can help others. We can be a team where we are helping our humanity and the main hero of the our team should be very that we are something from the society where you are helping others people to come out from there. We can name him
Executing
We have to agree on a common theme. I think so we all have agreed that he is a college going student and we are a college student. No one will decide. He will be also social worker, that is my friend. He used to work in an NGO. We can say that also. And we had one for a leader college. And with the help of his friend, he has made a
There is one character and he is a positive
gentleman's story. Gentleman first make a plan, then we have to execute it. We have to leave the plan should be where we are allowing our house and making them a better condition, giving them a better condition. So we can help.
Okay, right, pay attention here. Last 2 minutes to make a good story. Okay, please.
We are concluded that there is one person and the cleanliness is the topic. So we can make a person makes a group and helps you educate leaders in the society. Awareness we can say that, not education we can say that. Awareness and we have cleared the
Okay, right, your time is up. Now, have you made a good story?
Yes.
Let's hear it.
I grant number 146. I grant judge number 146.
Can I narrate?
Yes, you can.
Okay. So friends, with the common group story, I would like to narrate that Arijit was the member of Robin Hood Army and also the final year student of B Pharma in Lucknow University. He noticed that his locality was facing the problem of garbage and litter on the roads, in the playgrounds, and also blockage of drainage due to the plastic waste. So he decided to reach out to the community members, and along with his team, they met the people and made them aware and convinced them to join them on the Sunday drive to clean the locality. And on the Sunday, they gathered together, used brooms, dustbins, gloves, etc. to clean the garbage and also segregate it into biodegradable and degradable waste, and made a community pit for the organic waste, and the plastic that was collected was delivered to the waste aggregators so that it can be processed further. And like this, they cleaned the locality and decided that in the future also periodic cleanliness drive will take place so that the cleanliness can be ensured.
Friends, I perceive many characters in the given picture. Central character is Ankit, 22 years old, positive mood. Action of my story is visiting the orphanage. Ankit is a student of MA in Delhi University, went to his house during the vacation. He has many works to do, but in between he plans to visit an orphanage. So that he planned the things accordingly, took the appointment, bought the required and useful things for the children as well as the caretakers, and visited the orphanage after completing all his works. There, he played with the children, enjoyed with them, spent time and distributed the gifts. He was, after coming home, he was very happy with it. Thank you so much.
Friends, from the picture flashed, I perceive there is a one character. He is the center character of my story, Anuj, age 23, mood positive. The action of my story is state and the university collaboration lead to the animal awareness. Anuj, 24, the head of the science group in the University of Lucknow, he once read in the notice board that with the collaboration of the state government, he, along with the university people, went to the nearby village where he gave the lecture on the animal awareness. He told the people there about the lumpy disease and the disease of the kettles that occur in the foot. After that, they returned to the university. He also made a report and submit it by going to the government office about their visit to the nearby village. Thank you.
According to my perception of the story, there was a single character in the picture who was a male, who was of age around 80s to 20s, and he was in a positive mood. Manoj, who was the protagonist of my story, was recently selected in NDA exam and was appearing in his SSB interview. He was very happy and was enthusiastically preparing for his exam, and he basically prepared all of the stuffs, documents. He referred YouTube videos and a lot of books for his preparation. He practiced his spoken English, he practiced on his officer-like qualities, and finally decided to board the train at the last evening of the day when he was supposed to go to SSB interview. Finally, he got recommended and he was very happy. He returned to his home and explained about the whole trip to his family and joined NDA after a few months with full josh.
Hello gentlemen, I pursue the one main character is positive attitude, Ramesh, 25-year-old, and he is a diligent and diligent government officers. His performance reports saying and his officer to check the all town reforms in Lucknow town areas, and when he went to come to check it all collective information and submit the report in your officers and some say to gift and funding for the distributing and cleanliness for these villages. Thank you.
From the picture shown to us, I perceived only one character with positive mood, and the age of my character is 22. The action of my story is journey to the home. Ankit, 22, the age 22, a BTech student in Unnao. While returning from a late night session, he observed that it was late night, so he chose to board a train to go home. When he reached at the station, he observed no one was there. It was quite silence there. He observed a person there, so he go to him. He was quite frightened, but he went to him and asked him the reason. He find that he lost his way and he was hungry. He gave him some food and told him the way, and then he purchased the ticket, boarded the train and returned home. He completed his assignment at late night and he wake up early in the morning and joined the next day session. That's all about my story. Thank you.
Hello friends, from the picture I perceived one male character, age 17, neutral mood. The action of my story is medical demonstration. Ashish, who was class 12 student, talked with his club in charge, nursing club in charge, and thought to carry out a medical demonstration in the vicinity of their school. He gathered his team, distributed the area, collected medical equipments from the school, and made a first aid kit for the demonstration. He carried out the demonstration for 1 week and moved from various places in the locality. There, he taught them about the use of first aid kit, band-aids, antiseptics, etc. Later on, he also taught them about some precautionary steps to be taken during incidents like heat stroke. After the end of 1 week, he made a feedback about all this and submitted it in the school. The feedback came to be positive and all the team was very happy for their efforts. Thank you.
Friends, I have perceived two characters in this story. Aman, 18 years of age, is the main character of my story, and the overall mood of the story seems to be positive. The action of my story is participating in a competition. Aman is a student of class 12 in APS Varanasi. Once he cleared the level 1 of the SOF Maths Olympiad in his school and was to appear in the second level in New Delhi. As it was a new kind of journey for him, he decided to manage it by himself by the consent of his parents. So he made the list, booked the ticket, managed his luggage and took all the documents and cleared them and took all the precautions before leaving. He left with the blessings of his grandfather and his mother, and went and appeared in the exam and scored well. He also advanced for the third level and final level of the examination. Thank you.
I perceive one character in my story, more positive. The action of my story, exploring the reality of ancient places, and Rohan, 24-year-old, archaeologist in IIT Bombay, and he study his work on to exploring the ancient places, the reality of ancient places. So he visited many places like Egypt, Indus Valley civilization, and Harappa. Then he and he take the picture and collect the many samples where and research on it, and he found in that time the
Friends, from the picture shown to us, I perceive one male character of age 21 in positive mood. The action of my story is returning to home and celebrating Diwali with the family members. Rahul 21 was an engineer. He was working in Patna, which is 200 kilometers away from his village. On the occasion of Diwali, he granted a leave of 3 days. So he decided to visit his village to celebrate the festival. So first of all, he booked the ticket and boarded the train and enjoyed his journey. He reached his village, enjoyed it with his family members, and then on the occasion of Diwali next day, he cleaned the society with other friends and also decorate the society with flowers, candles and other things, and also wishes taking blessings from other people. After that, he organized a small program in the evening for the society people.
Friends, I perceived only single character in this story. Raj, male, 21 years, and he is the flying officer in the Indian Air Force. After during the occasion of the Diwali, he gets some leaves, so he is very excited to go his home. He went to his home and he is very excited. When he reached to his home, every person of his family become very happy and excited. After it, he also meet with his friends, and after it he go for market to buy the goods for the Diwali. After it, he also decorated his home with candles and lights, and he eat the sweets with his friends and neighbors. Thus, he celebrated the Diwali with his friends and neighbors and his family members. He also made the Diwali very memorandum.
Hello friends, I perceive 4 characters in my picture. My main character is Raju, age 18, and my action of the story is exploring monument Musabagh Fort. So Raju is a 12th class student. He is like to exploring monuments. So on Sunday he convinced his father and mother to explore, and after convincing, he managed transport food with the help of his mother, and reached there and enjoy the monuments. And after that they were lunch together and enjoy till evening, and after that he will gather and come back to his home. Thank you.
Jain friend, I perceive one character in my story. The action of my story is helping friend. One Dev is 18 years old. He is the BSc student of the Ambedkar College, and one day his friends going for outside of the house attend the marriage ceremony, and then it starting raining heavily, and his mother called him, and then she is the patient of sugar. Then he called. Then her medicine is finished. Then he call her. Then he call Akash. Then Akash call him her friends. Then they go for the medical. And
hello friends, I perceived one main character in my story. His name is Harsh, 21, last year BSc student. As he was a former NCC cadet, his teacher once invited him to organize a self-defense campaign for girls. So he gladly joined it, and he was asked to oversee the whole organizing ceremony. So he gladly took over the task of overseeing and delegated proper roles to his juniors, and completely organized the whole self-defense campaign. And after the organization was successful, he also took over the role of demonstrating the self-defense techniques to each and every one of them. And as everything went successful, the teacher of his and his juniors were really glad that Harsh went to help them, and he received really much appreciations.
Friends, I perceive one character from the story. He is Ram. He is 20 years old, and he is in positive mood. The main action of my story is to reach for interview on time. Ram, 20, pursuing BTech 3rd year from Amity University, Noida, Uttar Pradesh. He applied for the interview. After the completion of the 6th semester, he went to his village Ramgarh, Madhya Pradesh, to spend much time with his family. And the date of the interview arrived, and he booked the train for the interview. And when he reached the station, he came came to know about that the train get delay 5 hours from his arrival time. So he become worried as the interview was going to held in the next 3 hours, where he met a one man who was also going for the interview. Then Ram convinced, then Ram decided to take the road transport, and finally they reached for the interview on time, and Ram gives an interview very well. After 2 days he got the result, and he got the confirmation letter, and along with his 4-year BTech studies he managed his online job very well. Thank you.
Gentlemen, the picture shows I observed one male character in my story. The action of my story to spread awareness among the people toward the firecrackers. Rahul, age 22, he in a positive mood. He is the hero of my story. He is a government employee in the social awareness department. One day he is returning from his office. He noticed that the firecracker piece on the road. Then he concerned about the environment. Then he taking and the next day he consult a meeting and told about the environment consequences. Then all the team members are going to the different places and start a campaign. Some people also are joined to his campaign and also agree with to not use the firecrackers. Then they after that they also celebrate the Diwalis without fires and distribute the sweets among them. Thank you.
Friends, I perceive one character from the story. The mood of my character is positive, and the central character of my story is Ram, and action of my story is to make a report about his village. Ram is 20-year-old, is a BSc math student. During vacation he got a project about his village. He packed his luggage and booked ticket and go to the village. And with the help of his grandfather he know about organic farming, crops and some recent infrastructural development in his village. He make a report, and after returning back to his college he published his report, and after seeing his report the teacher was very happy and applauded him. He is happy. Thank you.
Hello gentlemen, from the picture shown to us I have perceived only one character. Nitin is positive mood, 22 years. He done his MBA from CSJM University, and he wants to open his business. And
Well, gentlemen, what I have perceived from the picture, there is a one male character in the picture with positive mood. Sachin, 21 years old, a newly appointed government officer in a post department. He is a post officer. First day of his office. He came office. He found there is a tree, but there is no clearness around the trees. There are the dry leaves, and also the cutting hairs are lying here and there. He firstly go to his office and wait until all employees came and make aware them about this disbehaved, and also call the clean man, and with them he discussed and make the environment clean. He also fixed posters in the there for making clearness around the environment. Thank you very much.
Friends, I have perceived a single male character from the picture who is in positive mood and is the central character. The action of my story is organizing the New Year event. Adarsh, of age 22, is the student of final year of graduation BSc Maths in MIT University, Lucknow. He was in his village during the winter vacations in December. As he was the president of the student union in his college, so he got called to organize the New Year event in his college. When he hear this news, he get excited and immediately prepares his luggage and booked a ticket and took a train to his college. He prepares all the list of required things. He ordered decorative items, foods, snacks, lightnings, music systems, invited all the invitees, and the managing director as a chief guest made the rangolis with the help of art students. On January 1st, the event has been organized with full of josh and excitement, and all of the students really enjoyed this. Thank you.
He saw the story of the just number 154 is that we can organize a medical
It's a type of social awareness, so we can go with this theme.
What we can do is that first of all we can decide that what should be the topic of that theme. Before that we should decide the number of 114 specified a single that medical camp, but it was specified. So I think that we can take that specific theme about.
We can also decide the number of characters that many character was seen in the backyard, and one was as the main character. So we can.
Now we all have decided the theme of the story. Now we can go for the action part.
So first of all, I think that we can start by forming a team. That in the picture it was shown a single character, but before that, like he formed a team about organizing a medical camp.
First of all, we have to decide who is going to organize that. So we can make that person a medical officer who is there. So what a junior doctor
As it is a medical awareness, so we can
And he is also carrying the first aid box. He is also carrying a
As it is a medical awareness campaign, so it is social form, social group. So group is required for it.
Yeah, that's
so
why
we should also involve the group in it, so that it will be helpful for hospital to frame the story as well.
We can go with the story of the medical camp as discussed by our team. So let us organize a medical awareness campaign along with the camp which we had set up in our story. So
For that, I think we can take
action part. We can take
necessary
awareness about the
equipments.
first aid. We can also give awareness about the emergency first response. How we give the first aid to the accident people, all the people who are
Demonstration is also there for volunteers must be there and required
For
things to be there.
that demonstration, we need some resources so that we can gather resources like in the
And giving basic
equipment, in the
information.
first aid kit,
Yes.
first aid kit like band-aids and
we can also use a dummy to
the
teach
plastic
how
of-
to give the CPR and
Dummy persons, a human dummy for that CPR practice. That will be CPR demonstration can be given by
Last
the
1 minute, gentlemen.
so we go with the environment thing cleanliness in our environment.
Feedback like after our medical camp, we can take that feedback from the people so that we can get a clear idea that whether the message was conveyed clearly to the people or not. So I think that feedback part, which after our work we can take it from the people.
Okay, right. Now the time is up, gentlemen. Have you made a good story?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let's hear it.
We nominate 154 for just number 154 for
Thank you friends for selecting me to narrate the common group story. So for our common group story, we have perceived one male character who is a medical officer, age 24 years, and the action of our story is organizing a medical camp for emergency first aid, for teaching people about emergency first aid techniques. So Ashish, who was a junior medical officer, decided to carry out an emergency first aid demonstration for the people in his locality, and for that he prepared by taking necessary medical equipments in his first aid and also a dummy body for giving the demonstration of CPR. Thereafter, after completing his camp, he took feedback from all the people to know whether the message was clear or not, and found that everyone got to learn many things from the camp and was very happy for his work. Thank you.
Okay, all of you agree with this?
Yes,
story?
sir.
आरंभ है प्रचंड फूले मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। डिफेंस फोर्सेस में हाईएस्ट सिलेक्शंस देने वाला लीडिंग इंस्टीट्यूट सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी अब आ चुका है देवभूमि उत्तराखंड देहरादून में। वी आर द मोस्ट पॉपुलर चॉइस फॉर एनडीए, सीडीएस, एमएनएस एंड एसएसबी इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन among aspirants across the country, as we provide the following facilities: regular classes, doubt clearing sessions, library facility, SSB training by experts and ex-SSB board members, exposure to India's largest GTO ground, weekly mock test, mock interviews and counseling sessions, exclusive study material, access to Centurion Defence Academy's mobile app, and mini India exposure under Centurion's roof. So call us at 97959 77776 and enroll in Centurion Defence Academy, Dehradun right now.